guys, welcome back to Saf's Glam Beauty. Into this video, I am going to be making some hair conditioner, you guys. In this video, I believe I had 3 phases. I'm going to start off by measuring out my distilled water. So this is my phase A. The next product I'm going to be measuring will be my BTMS 25. So I'm going to tear it out and I'm going to be adding any oil of your choice, but I choose coconut oil. So this is my oil phase and this is my water phase. I'm gonna be heating both of them up. While I'm waiting for my heated phase, I'm gonna take this time to measure out my fragrance oil and the rest of my ingredients. So I'm gonna be using some baobab protein. This is a hydrolyzed protein. I'm gonna be measuring out my fragrance oil. Okay, right now our both heated phases are all done. I'm gonna add phase A into phase B. And it's ready for the show. Okay. So we're gonna go like so. Okay, I'm gonna leave it right here. And I'll just wait a little bit and see how it takes. And let me take the temperature really quick. And see, it is super hot. So right now I have to just leave it alone until it cools down. I am back after I think 20-30 minutes. It have gotten thicker than ever. So thick. And I cannot wait to put all the rest of my ingredients in. So I'm gonna be adding my hydrolyzed protein in here like so. Give it a good mix. Oh, I've changed the color. So I'm sure it's not pure white anymore. We just want a goodness, right? We just want the goodness that this protein has to offer. Okay, it's kind of creamy, but the color is not bad. The color is just nice looking. All right, so this next product I'm gonna be adding in here is my my vitamin E oil and my fragrance oil. Guys, it smells so delicious. This oil makes me hungry when I smell it. Smells so good. So good. So the next ingredient I'm gonna be adding in here is my preservative, and I'm using liquid Gem and Plus. our conditioner have cooled down properly, and I think it's about time to package this conditioner up, okay? So just like the other video, I'm using this 12-ounce beautiful jar, and I'm going to go like so. I hope it fits. Yes. Oh my God, I love it. Yep. So the next step would be throwing our labels on. And like so. Okay, this is amazing, guys. I cannot believe that I made this beautiful product. Nice jar, beautiful label, and all of that, guys. Like, this is up a notch. For the most part, this is how you create your very own conditioner, okay? So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate all of you, and until next time, God bless. Bye-bye.